Hello children, today we are going to discuss one topic from the trigonometry. Here the topic name is trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities. The first one is cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Let a right angle triangle. The naming of this right angle triangle taking as ABC. Here let angle A is equal to theta. According to the theta, it is taking as adjacent side. The opposite side of angle theta is BC. Opposite side of theta. Next, it is the largest side. Largest side is always called as hypotenuse. Let triangle ABC is a right triangle. By the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Here what is the Pythagoras theorem? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Let dividing on both sides AC square. So AC square by AC square, AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square. Here AC square both are cancelled, we get 1. Here AB square by AC square means AB by AC whole square. Here also BC by AC whole square. From the figure, what is the AB? AB is the adjacent side. Adjacent side of theta by hypotenuse. AC means hypotenuse whole square. Next, BC. What is the BC here? Opposite side of angle theta. Opposite side of theta by hypotenuse. It is also whole square. It is the definition of cos theta. Here square is there, so I write cos square theta. Opposite side of theta by hypotenuse. It is the definition of sin theta. Here whole square is there, so I take here also sin square theta is equal to 1. It is the first identity. It is the first identity. Here 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. It is the second identity. Let triangle ABC. It is a right angle triangle. By the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now dividing AB square on both sides. So AC square by AB square is equal to AB square by AB square plus BC square by AB square. Here also AB square both are cancelled. AC by AB whole square is equal to 1 plus BC by AB whole square. AC, what is the AC here? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse by, what is the AB? It is the adjacent side. It is adjacent side. Whole square is equal to 1 plus, what is the value of BC? It is opposite side by AB means adjacent side. It is opposite side of angle theta. It is the adjacent side of angle theta. It is also taking as whole square. Hypotenuse by adjacent side. It is the definition of the secant. Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus opposite side by adjacent side. It is the definition of the tan theta. Tan square theta. It is the second important identity. Now divide. The third identity is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Let triangle ABC. It is a right angle triangle. Angle A is equal to theta. By the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now dividing LHS and RHS both sides with BC square. So AC square by BC square is equal to AB square plus BC by BC square plus BC square by BC square. Here BC square both are cancelled. Now AC by BC whole square is equal to AB by BC whole square plus 1. What is the name of AC here? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse by, what is the name of BC? It is the opposite side of theta. Theta whole square is equal to, what is the name of AB? AB by BC. What is the name of AB? It is adjacent side. Adjacent side of theta by BC. It is the naming of opposite side of theta. Opposite side of theta whole square plus 1. Hypotenuse by opposite side. It is the definition of cosecant. It is the definition of cosecant. Here we have square. So cosecant square theta is equal to adjacent side of theta by opposite side. Adjacent side of theta by opposite side. It is the definition of the cot theta. Cot square theta plus 1. It is another identity of trigonometry. Now we are doing one problem on the trigonometric identities. The given problem is 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. First we are changing these terms in terms of sin theta and cos theta. Okay. First let us take the first term. What is that first term? 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta. From this 1 plus, what is the value of tan theta in terms of sin and cos? It is sin theta by cos theta plus secant theta. It is written in the form of cos as 1 by cos theta. It is the reciprocal of the cos. Secant is the reciprocal of the cos. So here we are doing the LCM. LCM of 1 and cos is cos theta. Here 1 into cos theta is cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. It is the value of the first term. What is the second term? 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. From this we have to write 1 plus in the form of cos and sin. The cot is in the form of cos and sin as cos theta by sin theta minus cosec is reciprocal of sin theta. Here nothing means it has 1. The LCM of 1 and sin theta is sin theta. After the LCM, the value of 1 is changes into sin theta. After the LCM, here we get sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Here what is the problem? 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta is equal to, what is the value of 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta here? Cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 by cos theta into, what is the second term here? What is the second term here? Sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 by sin theta. Here cos theta plus sin theta and cos theta plus sin theta both are same. So I take it as A. Here 1 1 it is taking as B. Now see this A plus B into A minus B. It is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. What is the formula for A plus B into A minus B? It is equal to A square minus B square. From using that identity, here I can write A means here cos theta plus sin theta. So here A square cos theta plus sin theta whole square. What is the B value here? 1 is the B value. A square minus B square. A square minus B square by cos theta into sin theta. Cos theta into sin theta. Here another identity is taking A plus B whole square. What is the A plus B whole square? A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2AB. It is the other identity. Using this identity we are write as cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 by cos theta sin theta. Here the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta from the identities. What is the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta? It is 1 plus 2 into cos theta sin theta minus 1 by cos theta sin theta. Here 1 minus 1 it is 0. So 2 cos theta sin theta by cos theta sin theta. Here cos theta sin theta, cos theta cos theta sin theta by cos theta sin theta both are same, so I can calculating these two. Here what is the remaining here? Only 2. It is the final answer. So it is the trigonometric identities. Today's our assignment from the trigonometric identities is sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. Okay children, thank you.